Multi-Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, today I'm going to talk about a story, two stories, but one, the first one, boy, I not even know if I say anymore. Not even know if I say anymore. This incident took place in Maxfield, and the second incident I'm going to talk about took place Central Village, place called Zambia, dangerous place. The first story. I want you to picture this. Picture a country, a society, where 87s running a yard, for them wild shooting already. And when the smoke clear and people start to check who get injured, them realize say, oh, it wasn't a 70-year-old, it wasn't a 17-year-old, not a 7-year-old, which would be extraordinary, right? How about 7 months? 7 months. Literally, baby, on breast. Your favorite 87s them who love so much. Who can't wait for you, say. No business about nobody. Take out. Woman, pitney, man, dog. When you hear them things now, laugh and clap on the hands. Well, how many people laugh now? 7 months? But it not stop this one. And by the way, they found her name is Shavonique Thomas. According to Luke, suffering from wounds. Not wounding or wounds, so more than one that. The fact that she's still here up until the moment I recorded this is extraordinary, even though she's not critical and they were asking the public, the family members were asking the public, right, if donate. Because so when things like this happen, especially when it comes down to baby, so them need blood and them thing there. I know say YouTube will probably shut off comment. I know them are going to demonetize the video already, but I have to talk about them things. Right? So the family, I said them want blood and them thing there. To help the little girl. 7 months? Also think about this. That not even good enough to be the topic of the day. Matter of fact, unless you go up on loop since yesterday or whatever, you probably don't even know about the story, because when I search for the name Shavonique Thomas, a loop alone, I see it, man. It's not even worthy of being headline news. I did a Jamaica, 7 months. Pitney, pam, baby pam, titty. This can happen and it not even make headline news. Just another story, here today, gone tomorrow. Can somebody show me the big uproar on social media? Point me in the direction. I talk about the wave of, because normally, some stories come out and you see the fake outrage, get everybody jump up. Everybody a repost. Everybody a drop them quotes and them memes. This is why I always say, I don't believe you. Because a society where something like this can happen to a 7 month, and people nothing, nobody nothing on. Nobody nothing on. Your favorite celebrities, them not repost and them not jump on them phone and start record themselves and start tell you one bag of nice years and go on like some business about crime. But see them now though. Cause the store not hot. The store not hot, the store not trending. What you thought they care about you? It's times like these, stories like these, cases like these, where the people who pretend to be activists, the people who pretend to be for the people who pretend to be for inner city people, This is when they would stand up and be counted and use them voice, but the voice silent. What happened? But the trachea now work. But you need little honey and lime. Because we see other cases where people jump up and all of a sudden everybody get well righteous and anti-crime and anti-violence and must stand for how we now make how we can. Alright. And certain cases people jump up, oh I can't believe this happened to the innocent. You can't get more innocent than a 7-month-old. You cannot get more innocent than a 7-month-old. So if because of the innocence why Jamaicans get so upset about certain cases, why we not see the national outcry for 7-month-old? Come on, hit the dislike button. Trends and likes. Trends and likes. Enough of the biggest voices on social media. Like people who pop up 2 times for the year for 2 cases out of the year. Out of the 1,200, 1,300 people will lose their life every year in Jamaica. You normally have 3 or 4 cases so the whole country jump up. Right? Trends and likes. We don't understand what kind of society 7-month-old lie down in a hospital bed. And I know because I'm sick, because you know say picnic that take sick. Right? Every minute then drop and lick their foot or so, then drop and lick their that is what picnic for our children for. When we hear say 7-month-old got children, it have to be for one accident or we hear say get colic or something like or some sickness. The picnic supposed to lie down in the hospital for no gunshot wound. A Sankey is supposed to sing so. But not only the Sankey sing so, but even when the Sankey sing so, it's not even worth making headline news. It's not even worth talking about. What kind of madness is this? And to show you how, as a culture, Jamaica fall off the cliff. Even when people hear this now, the response is like, boy, John know it rough. That's it. Jamaicans are no longer even shocked by things like this. People are like, boy, it rough. Right. That's probably the most I will get. One boy, it rough. Because people are crack them ears and listen to you say one next one get big up brunch tomorrow. I understand. This is why I'll never buy into the fake outrage. Every time Jamaican decides, oh, we're not gonna, it's only when time your favorite celebs them kick it off and then people just follow. Let's just call it what it is. People realize it about spontaneous, about and then everybody don't actually. Let's face it. If people really care about innocence, then a them story would have been national outcry. Let me say you can't get more innocent than a 7-month-old. Complete madness. Maxfield started out, but you don't know already. That part of Jamaica literally, on the community them were consistently top. The murder charge, so don't get your hopes up. Next thing I want to touch on briefly, Central Village. The 87 them over they take out a woman, not a big woman where people are scratched their head. People are scratched their head because they must say they can't understand who could have possibly look on at the woman there. Right? Some people know as Miss Tully. You know every community has the big woman in the place, everybody does, oh Miss Tully. Right. Man them lay out the woman flat. Right. Take her life just like that. Now this happened in a place called Zambia. Dangerous place. Dangerous. Listen, the Central Village video are coming up. Don't worry on yourself. It's just that there's so many 87s in the place. Right. The various gangs. Right now we have to segment them based on, alright, that one at first, that one at first, that one at first. Right. But it's coming. Central Village, complete madness. And look, young 87 them now, what them start to do is to prove themselves to the older young members them say, I guess them worthy of the acidity, them worthy of being in the gang. None of them go pull off some fool stunt. Just somebody who just to show how cool them is, them go shoot up on yard, burn down one, just to demonstrate to the rest of the gang them say, yeah, they mean business. Indiscriminate violence. People who don't even know what go on and get caught up in that. So when something like this happen to me, Stooley, don't be surprised for something similar to that. Enough of these 87s, enough of these 4th generation 87s, me I wonder if enough of them. I take the Diet Coke for breakfast, lunch and dinner. I know it's enough old time 87s did food on the Diet Coke too, but now these young 87s now, they're so irrational in their behavior. Right. Them just so things when them do just so erratic that you think to yourself, them it can't them right mind. Cannot hear them right mind. But me say people are not 100% sure what's the motive for why them take out Miss Stooley, but you know you have people in the area where when you see them lose them life, you have to say yourself, but why? That don't make no sense. Man just walk up and down. Have I look to, woman walk up and down with bag, all kind of bag and pan them. Right. So they look away as them. Just like that, them take out the woman flat. That don't even make news. Okay, Central Village. I don't know if Central Village, if there's some kind of ban against Central Village murders making news, but it's very rare Central Village. If a place that people drop so often, right, yeah, that's true, say peaceful. Okay, you hardly hear what going on over there. Complete madness. But Central Village video come. Just like how Rivali did a bubble and a bubble. Right. Central Village constantly a bubble. Right. Pot cover might blow off any minute now. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.